Alright, this is the complete build. I've got everything installed. There's the power supply, Thermaltake TR2-430. Should be plenty for this build. So there's your 280 fans, processor of course, memory, video card, etc. And zoom back here a little bit. Should get a better look. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Like I said in the other video, cable management is not a good thing in this case. It doesn't have anything really to help you with cable management, so you just have to kind of wrap your cables, stuff them where you can. But all the sleeved cables, power supply, even the old serial ATAs, ATA 133 is sleeved, and so everything hooks up. Anyway, that's a complete build. Everything's good to go. Just one quick, I haven't installed Windows yet, but let's step back here. I'm going to do a quick power on. There you go. Everything powers up, and we're done. Whoops, gotta shut it off here. There we go. All done.